everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you on how to solve word problems involving greatest common factor and least common multiple. Our objectives for today, we are going to solve word problems involving greatest common factor and least common multiple of 2 to 3 given numbers. In solving word problems involving least common multiple and greatest common factor, there are important keywords that we are going to remember. So if we are going to solve the problem by finding its least common multiple, the problem talks about repetition, cycle, happen at the same time again, smallest or least, minimum. If we are going to solve the problem by finding its greatest common factor, the problem talks about grouping, splitting or dividing equally, sharing or no leftovers, greatest or largest, maximum. Alright, example number 1. Mr. Jen's family donated 7,000 boxes of canned goods and 5,000 blankets to the victims of the Nepal earthquake. What is the greatest number of families that can receive the given donation? So our keyword here is the greatest number. So since the keyword is the greatest number, so we have to find the greatest common factor of 7,000 and 5,000. So by continuous division, 7,000 and 5,000 is divisible by the lowest prime number, 2. So 7,000 divided by 2, that is 3,500. 5,000 divided by 2, we have 2,500. And 3,500 and 2,500 is still divisible by 2. So that is their common factor, 2. 3,500 divided by 2, we have 1,750. 2,500 divided by 2, we have 1,250. Now, the common factor of 1,750 and 1,250 is still 2. Now, let us divide 1,750 by 2. We have 875. 1,250 divided by 2, we have 625. Next, 875 and 625 has a common factor nga 5. So let us divide 875 divided by 5. We have 175. 625 divided by 5, we have 125. Next, so 175 and 125 is still divisible by 5. Okay, let us divide again. 175 and 125 by 5. 175 divided by 5, and that is 35. 125 divided by 5, we have 25. Next, 35 and 25 is still divisible by 5. So 35 divided by 5, we have 7. 25 divided by 5, we have 5. So what is left here below is 7 and 5. And 7 and 5 has no common factor except 1. So their common factor is only 1. 7 and 5 is divisible by 1. So let us stop here, because in finding the greatest common factor of our number, we are just focusing on their factor that can divide both numbers. So the numbers here at the left are our common factors. So, to solve for the greatest common factor, let us all multiply the factors here in the left. So, GCF is equal to, so let us multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 5. So, ito na siya. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 5. So, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 5, 40. 40 times 5, 200. 200 times 5, we have 1,000. Alright, so since our greatest common factor is 1,000, we can now answer the question, what is the greatest number of families that can receive the given donation? So our answer must be, the greatest number of families that can receive donations are 1,000 families. Next example. 3 neon signs blink as they are turned on at the same time. One sign blinks every 9 seconds. The other sign blinks every 15 seconds. And the third sign blinks every 18 seconds. In how many seconds will they blink again at the same time? So the keyword in our problem is blink again at the same time. So again at the same time. It means that we are going to solve the problem by finding the less common multiple of 9, 15, and 18. So let us use listing method. So multiples of 9, 15, and 18. So let us start with the multiples of 9. We have 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, and 99. For multiples of 15, we have 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, and 105. For multiples of 18, we have 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, and 118. So ngayon, meron na tayong nakikitang less common multiple or ang pinakababang multiple na makikita or multiple ng 9, 15, and 18. So, ang pinakamababang multiple na nakikita natin ay ang 90. So, we have 90 as our less common multiple. Therefore, the answer to the question, in how many seconds will they blink again at the same time? So, since our LCM is 90, our answer must be the neon signs will blink again at the same time after 90 seconds or 1 minute and 30 seconds. Next one. Ma'am Iderlina is making activity baskets to donate to charity. She has 12 coloring books, 28 markers, and 36 crayons. What is the greatest number of baskets she can make if each item is equally distributed among the baskets? How many of each supply will go into the baskets? So our keyword here to answer the problem is the greatest number. So since greatest number, we have to solve the problem by finding the greatest common factor. Another keyword, equally distributed. So equally distributed among the baskets. We have to solve by finding the greatest common factor. Now, let us find the greatest common factor of 12, 28, and 36. So by continuous division, 12, 28 and 36 has a common factor of 2. So, i-divide natin yung 12, 28, at saka 36 sa kanilang pinakababang factor, and that is 2. So, 12 divided by 2, we have 6. 28 divided by 2, we have 14. 36 divided by 2, we have 18. So, 6, 14, and 18 is still divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 14 divided by 2, we have 7. 18 divided by 2, we have 9. So, yung 3, 7, at 9 ay wala ng common factor na mas mataas sa 1. So, let us stop here. So, yung greatest common factor natin ay ang product ng factors na makikita natin sa kaliwa. So, that is 2 times 2. Imu-multiply natin yung 2 and yung 2. So, our greatest common factor is 2 times 2, and that is 4. So, what is the greatest number of baskets you can make if each item is equally distributed among the baskets? So, therefore, Ma'am Iderlina can make 4 baskets. So, paano naman natin makukuha yung answer sa question na how many of each supply will go into the baskets? So, ang given natin kanina ay 12 coloring books, 28 markers, and 36 crayons. So, ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin yung 12 sa 4 sa ating greatest number of baskets, 28 divided by 4, and also 36 divided by 4. So, let us divide 12 divided by 4. This is for the coloring book. So, 12 divided by 4, we have 3 coloring books. Next, 28 markers divided by 4, we have 7 markers. Last, 36 crayons divided by 4, we have 9 crayons. So, therefore, each basket contains 3 coloring books, 7 markers, and 9 crayons. So, each basket. So, we have only 4 baskets. So, each basket contains 3 coloring books, 7 markers, and 9 crayons. Next, Alejandra goes to dance class every 6 days, karate class every 12 days, and the library every 18 days. On December 1st, she went to both classes and the library. When will be the next date she will go to both classes and the library? Right. So, let us find the keyword. So, our keyword, next date. Ang susunod na date na siya ay pupunta sa classes, sa kanyang dalawang classes at saka sa library. So, therefore, we have to solve the problem by finding the LCM of 6, 12, and 18. So, the next date. Again, at the same time. So, pwede rin tong time that will happen again, the next date. So, by listing method, we have to find the multiples of 6. We have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Multiples of 12, we have 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Multiples of 18, we have 18, 36, 54, 72. Okay, tingnan natin ngayon ang mga multiples ng 6, 12, and 18. So, meron na tayong less common multiple, and that is 36. So, therefore, the answer to the question, when will be the next date she will go to both classes and the library? So, since our LCM is 36, so, Diba nagsimula siya sa December 1st nang pumunta siya sa both classes and the library? So, meron tayong 31 days sa December, in the month of December. So, since on December 1st, so meaning we will move to December the 2nd. And, December the 2nd, up to December 31, we have 30 remaining days. So, therefore, 30 must be subtracted from 36. So, it will be, at napupunta na lahat sa December, or sa month of December. So, ang matitira sa 36, once na nag-subtract tayo dito ng 30, para mabuo yung number of days sa month of December, ay 6. So, yung 6 na natira dito ay mapupunta sa next month, and that will be on January 6. So, when will be the next date she will go to both classes and the library? So, Alejandra will go to both classes and the library after 36 days, or January 6 the following year. So, on January 6 na the following year. Kasi yung 30 napunta na dito sa month of December at meron na tayong December 1st. At yung December natin ay merong 31 days. So, meron na lang tayong 6 days na natira at napunta na siya sa month of January, the next or the following year. Alright, class, keep in mind, in solving word problems involving greatest common factor and LCM, remember the following. First, read and understand the problem. Second, list down information or given numbers. Third, define what answer you need as well as its unit of measure. Fourth, work in an organized manner.
Thank you for watching. This is your teacher na MATHinik saying, mathematics is not that as difficult. It only takes willingness to learn something. For more videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.